Many of my businesses want to know about social media. Social media. It's like the new thing that if you're not doing it, you're getting left in the dust. Just like advertising on Yelp. You remember those days? Well, if you don't advertise on Yelp, then your competitors are going to take over the world. So you better get on board or bye-bye business. Okay, social media, it can be great for a lot of businesses and a lot of industries. But first, some homework needs to be done by me. So that's not a blanket question. It's not a question you can just say, do I do it? Do I not do it? It doesn't matter what industry you're in. Yes, you do it, and call me and I'm going to do it for you. And I'm going to take $5 million a month and it's going to be fantastic and you're going to be the talk of the town. No. So here's what I would say. I need to do a little homework. I need to look at your business. I need to see what your goals are. I need to see what some of the competitors in your industry are doing. I need to, lay a little groundwork, as they call it in the biz. So that's what I need to do. Seriously, it's not just yes, you need to do it, or no, you don't need to do it. So let me do a little homework. Let me dig in a little bit, and then I can share with you what my recommendations on that are. And I will tell you the truth, because there are those people out there that are ringing your phone being like,
oh, hey, you don't have a Facebook page. You need a Facebook page. You call me, I'll do your postings, $2.99 a month, 3 posts a week, 1 blog a month, blah, 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 blah.
Waste of time, waste of money. Or maybe it would be a great thing for you to do. I feel like a lot of owners, especially my body shop owners, you guys out there, you silly little guys, listen, you're reading about all these things and you go back to your team and you're like, do you guys know anything about Snapchat? Should we be doing Snapchat? Hey, guys, why isn't anybody talking to me about Instagram? Do we have an Instagram account? Why aren't we doing an Instagram? Do we have stories? What is a story? I don't know. I keep hearing about these stories. And what's this TikTok my kids are talking about? We need to be doing TikToks.
No.
Body shops. No. Don't do it. Erase all that crap from your memory. Create a Facebook page. You and I can talk about whether I think that you should develop your Facebook page or not. If you have the capacity to do it well, then you do it. If you don't, you don't do it at all. Just create the page, let it be, we can talk. People are gonna email you. They're gonna make you feel guilty for not doing X, Y, or Z. They're gonna tell you you need to sign up. And if you don't sign up, then you're getting left in the dust and all this crap. Don't buy it. Don't do it. Don't waste your money. I'm here to help you and tell you the truth about all these things. Okay? You're welcome.